I remember how I watched civilization run into chaos, and everyone was too busy to realise. We let ourselves be dictated by pricks in suits as we all scrubbed our brains for answers.
You see it? We aren't free. We are nothing. To them, we are nothing.
A generation going nowhere. We are the kids that you hated. The technology era. Distinguished by guns and violence, raised and spoiled, telling us silence.
You can't see them, but they are there, watching, observing, listening.
Conduzirem carros de corrida, carros de pilotos profissionais. Simplesmente como era.
And a government that doesn't care.
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 There's someone looking at me still, caring for me still. That's what I find so wonderful. Eyes on my eyes. May one still speak of time?
I've given you the knowledge. I've set you free. Do you understand?
There's a world better than this. A utopia consists of perfectness with a sense of eternal bliss.